90% of all millionaires become so through owning real estate. This quote summarizes in one sentence why one should invest in real estate. I still have to see the price of real estate in decent location to go down over a time period of 15 to 30 years. Even if someone have bought a property before 2008 housing market crash, should be a millionaire in 2021. If I go back in time when I was a kid, I remember my parents bought an apartment in a small city for just 200,000 and the same apartment was 2.5 million after 15 years. I have seen many examples like these, and if we see it logically also, population on earth is increasing, economy is growing, and mankind is innovating new things continuously. All this to happen needs more land, which, my dear master investors, is not growing. Therefore, increase in land or real estate prices is the only reasonable course of action. The best investment on earth is earth. I think these 7 words sums it up. If you are thinking you don't have enough money to own a land or real estate, I would challenge you to think again. Nowadays, you do not need thousands of dollars to buy a property in Manhattan area. You can buy a portion of your favorite real estate by just buying its REITs. REITs are real estate investment trusts that own physical properties or real estate and trade on stock exchanges like any other stock. Owning a REIT is equivalent of owning a portion in the property that REIT owns. Don't wait to buy real estate, buy real estate and wait. Many people do not invest in real estate as they think it's too expensive or might crash soon. After 5 years, real estate market reaches even higher and the same investor denies to invest as market is now close to crash again. Soon 10 years have passed and real estate market hasn't crashed yet, and then the same investor denies to invest in real estate as it's too late now. Not only that, if real estate market do crashes, same investor denies to invest in real estate as market is crashing. It's really funny how our mind plays tricks with us. So don't wait to buy a real estate, buy real estate and wait. I have explained in detail the factors that influence real estate market and what I think about the situation of real estate market in Germany in 2021. Landlords grow rich in their sleep without working. If you ever search for a formula to get rich in your sleep, well, search no more, you have found your answer. Buy a property, rent it out and see its value grow with time without lifting a finger. Find out where the people are going and buy the land before they get there. I think now we know why one should invest in real estate. Let's see where to buy a real estate. The above quote makes it pretty clear. As I said earlier, economy is growing and companies need space to expand their operations. Once a company opens its new office at a particular location, potential employees will follow and hence demand for real estate in that area will increase. Therefore, keep looking for areas where companies are targeting and buy the land in those areas before company and its employees get there. Buy land, they are not making it anymore. As an investor, we are familiar with the concept of supply and demand. I think we have established by now that the demand for real estate is ever growing, which means that the demand of real estate is increasing. However, the supply is limited and fixed. We all know what happens when demand is more than supply. With that said, I rest my case. I hope you got some inspiration to start your journey as a real estate investor. If you are a conservative investor like me, then start by buying REITs or a house to live in yourself. You will thank your younger version for making that decision. If you are not sure how to buy a property in Germany, this video explains all the steps involved in buying a property in Germany. If you got some inspiration after watching this video, then help Master Investment grow by sharing it with your friends. If you have some feedback for me to improve, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.